Have you ever found yourself in the middle of cutting something on your laser using LightBurn software and realized you made a mistake and wished you could stop the cut and start back over where you left off? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. I was recently making this open tomb scene decoration for a friend, and these pieces needed to slot together in a particular order. So I had to scribe a line to make sure when I glued everything together and lined the pieces up to the slot that this slot would have enough room to allow a boulder to move in front of it. I had taken measurements ahead of time, but sometimes they can be slightly off, and therefore I wanted to do a material test before I cut the actual slots. Right here is where I realize the mistake is happening. I'm in the middle of cutting the board out so that I can take it over and fit everything up, and then I realize halfway through this cut that I do not have a scribe mark that I'm going to put in to make sure that when I glue those pieces together that the slot that's in front of the slot right here will be in the right location. And so I decided to stop the cut and then restart the cut later. This allowed me to make the needed changes and then start the cut over again when I was ready. When you know you're going to restart the cut, it's always good to have a nice specific point where you can start the cut again after you stop. So in this case, what I decided to do was to stop the cut when I get to the other corner over there in the end, because I was still in the decision-making process of deciding if I was going to change things. So that's what I did, and you'll see me hit the stop button here, and I'll speed it up a little bit. At this point, let's show the LightBurn screen, and you'll see I hit stop right about here, and it stops right about the corner. Since I stopped right here in the corner, I have a good location for me to restart my cut when I'm ready. At this point in the process, I've made all the changes I need to, and I'm ready to start the second cut. So we're going to pick up with how we would start the second cut at the exact location we want. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the vector, and then we're going to hit the preview screen. And as you see, it shows the preview, and we're going to hit preview. And we're going to let the line go around to the point we want to start again. So that's right there in the corner. When we're at the point we want to start the cut, we hit the pause button there, as you saw me do. And then what we're going to do is select the Start Here button. Once you hit the Start Here button in LightBurn will give you three selections. If you're directly connected to the laser, you can hit Start the Job and it'll start. Or you can hit Send the Job to the laser, or you can hit Save the Job for later to run from here. As you can see, after I hit the Start from Here button, the laser started going right to the corner where I wanted it to and started cutting from that point on. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to stop a job if you find that there's a mistake that you need to take care of before finishing the job. It's not that difficult. It's always best if you can find a convenient location when you stop so that when you pick up the job, you're coming from a known location. The process is fairly straightforward. When you're ready to stop the job, you hit stop in the LightBurn or on the controller. Then, when you're ready to start again, you start from the place you left off by hitting preview and then pausing the monitor at the location you want to start your job, and then you start your job. That's it in a nutshell. If you learned something and you liked what you saw, please take time to give me a like and share this video with others that may need to know this tip and trick. I am trying to build this channel, and all the likes, comments, and subscriptions help me build it. If you want to see future videos like this, please hit subscribe and hit the all bell. I'd appreciate it.